This channel's content is protected by copyright and is not authorized for AI training and data harvesting.
These are the ninjas of surf launching.
Southwind is uncomfortable. Rain is uncomfortable. The water levels is low.
Extreme boating breaking the show.
Good morning. Welcome to Extreme Boating. Beach launches recorded here at St. Lucia Estuary Beaches, Isimangalisa Wetland Park, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. This is Free Spirit 2, the 8.3 meter buttgate. They are going into a nice swell, fairly uncomfortable, but it's normally in these conditions that people are more than lucky in getting nice fish. This crew is determined they're not going to waste their visit to St. Lucia by not going to the ocean. They decided they want to book and they want to go. Look at that mid-break standing up. Wow. This makes for exciting video footage, guys, but the skippers know what they're doing. They will sit here in the gully, wait for the mid-break to wash over the sandbank, and then they will take their time to find a gap, a lull, or a saddle, and they will move through. Look at how beautiful it opens to the left, but Josh is taking a different line because he has to feel comfortable with the sandbank that he has to cross. The vessel has got a very low draft, a very shallow draft, so it can run quite comfortably in shallow water once it's on the plane. I think he has found his line. It's time to gathering of the waves. He's gonna punch those two 200 4-stroke 4-cylinder Suzukis now. That's 400 horsepower. So a lot of force in my sentence. A lot of force. Like I'm learning about music as well. I could never dance. The rhythm that you listen to in the beginning is called 4 on the Floor. Yeah, and Josh is on the power. He's opening the throttle. He has to run a little bit faster than he anticipated. He's going to use the whole design to cut through those waves like a deep V. Well done, Captain. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Don't let the rain disappoint you. Fill those hatches. Next one is Free Spirit 1, the 830 Carry Cat with 204 stroke Suzuki's on outmounts. So it's an 850 XL if I remember correctly. I don't know who's the skipper, so we're going to call it Free Spirit 1 because there's two skippers on board. The one is acting as a deckhand and the other one is skipping, and they alternate through the days, bringing the boat a little bit onto a gallop there, slowing down again, and he's bringing it more. No, he's keeping the rhythm low, but he's committed to his line. Whatever his line is, he's committed. He's going to take it up and over. Some nice spray there. Another one. Well done, Captain. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Fill those hatches and guys and gals, if you like this video, please hit the super thanks button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button or join our community.